Hey guys, Ms. Bissinger here. Right now we're looking at examples of irony, and we need to explain how it demonstrates irony. First daily example we're going to use is that I posted a video on YouTube about how boring and useless YouTube is. Keeping in mind that irony is in fact when the opposite happens of what we expect. How is this ironic? Well, why would I be using the platform of YouTube to tell YouTube that YouTube is boring? If I thought YouTube was truly boring and useless, then why would I post the video there? I would think that nobody would be able to see it then. So it's ironic because YouTube is clearly not useless if I posted a video there to talk about how boring and useless YouTube truly is. That's why it's ironic. It wouldn't have been ironic if I had posted a video on TikTok about how boring and useless YouTube is. That would have made it not ironic. But because I used the platform that I made the video making fun of, that makes it ironic. You wouldn't have expected that to happen. Now let's talk about a verbal irony example. The doctor is as kind-hearted as a wolf. So if somebody said the doctor is as kind-hearted as a wolf, why is this ironic? Well, we know that irony, again, is the opposite of what was expected to be said or happening, happens or is said. So, the doctor is as kind-hearted as a wolf. If we're referring to the doctor as being kind-hearted, then we wouldn't expect the simile of as a wolf to come after it. So this is ironic because wolves are not kind-hearted at all. So we wouldn't expect this analogy to be used. Right? Let's go ahead and do this one together in class. But if you're asynchronously learning, we can do it together here as well. Verbal irony in literature. Go ask his name if he be married. My grave is like to be my wedding bed, from Romeo and Juliet. How is this ironic? Well, you wouldn't think that a grave and a wedding bed would be the same things. When you get married, it's supposed to be the happiest day of your life. When you die, it's going to be the saddest day. So that double entendre, that going against one another, is in fact the irony. So this is ironic because one's wedding day should be the happiest day of one's life, not compared to one's deathbed. That in itself is ironic. Go ahead and take a minute to do the independent work and look at some more examples of irony before you jump into your independent reading for the day. Let me know if you need help.